You got a tax refund. Congrats. Now please don't waste it. Hey, I'm Austin from Sale Financial Ed, and I help forward-thinking millennials get further in life faster with the money they already have. Welcome to part 4 of my tax season series, and P.S. if you haven't filed your taxes yet, do it. You have less than a week left, and if you need some help with that, you can check out my playlist up here. As tax season winds down next week, people are starting to get their tax refunds back. So for this video, before you go on a shopping spree with your tax refund, I want to provide you with a list of great ideas for using your tax refund in awesome ways. And trust me, it's not all just, woo, save it! There's some good ideas here. The first idea is, if you are living paycheck to paycheck still, then just save your tax refund. Don't put it anywhere else but a high interest tax-free savings account for an emergency fund, because that can genuinely help you break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. And if you're interested in learning a bit more about how you can do that, you can check my video out up here. Also, sorry about the lighting, it's cloudy today, so the sun seems to be hit or miss. My second suggestion is, if you already have an emergency fund, then have a gander at your debts. Do you have any outstanding debts? If so, this could be a useful bump to paying off those debts. This will help you save more money on interest payments in the future, and if you're not really too sure which debt you should start paying off first, again, I have a video up here that you can check out which will help you with that. My third suggestion is, if you've already established an emergency fund and you've paid off all your outstanding debts, then consider investing your tax refund. Let's say you get a $1,000 tax return this year and you decide to put it in a decent but safe investment, which gets you 5% per year. Now, assuming you're around my age, so 25, and you let that cook for the next 40 years in a tax-free savings account, that $1,000 would grow and grow and grow until it turned into $7,040. I'm not sure about you, but an extra $6,040 for nothing works for me. So that is also something worth considering. And for the last time, if you want to learn more about that, I also have a cringy old video that I made that you can enjoy to learn a bit more. And comment below if you have any other tax refund saving suggestions that could help others. So let's say you have savings and investments and no debt, and you really want to spend this tax refund. Well, here are some better suggestions for you so you don't end up just spending it on something that you're not going to care about in a few months. So my first spending suggestion is, what if you invest in yourself? Is there a passion or a hobby you've always wanted to pursue, but there's a pretty big price tag to it? For me, I've always wanted to take a beer brewing certification, so that's something that I'm considering. You could take cooking classes or guitar lessons or acro yoga. Who knows, whatever you want. But what's better about going through this route is that you're gonna be building community, memories, skills, and a lot of other valuable assets rather than just buying like a video game or a nice shirt that you're not gonna really care about in a few months. Another suggestion would be spending your tax refund on something that would greatly improve your quality of life. Need braces? This could help pay for that. Do you have a screwed up back from work? You could start paying a chiropractor to straighten you out. Do you find you're not eating very well? Maybe consider seeing a nutritionist. Or do you need a financial coach? These professionals often charge a premium for their services, but the value that they provide is immense for contributing to your quality of life. And my last suggestion is, what if you just gave some of your tax refund away? Have you had any people come knocking on your door who are representing great causes that you would love to contribute to but you didn't have the money for at the time? Perhaps after receiving your tax return, you do have the money now, and that's a cause that you could finally contribute to. So that's it for my list to help you use your tax refund a bit more effectively this year. And I hope it brought you value, and if it did, consider subscribing, because every week I'm putting out these great financial education gems to help you live your best life. And also consider giving this video a like if you really enjoyed it, because that helps me understand my audience a bit better, and that means I can provide better content for you. But that's it for this week. I've got some great projects in the works for the next few weeks, so I can't wait to release them and let you check them out, but until then, you'll just have to wait. So with that, I will see you next week. Bye.